What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exercise for pistol squat part 3. Alright, let's get started. First exercise is archer squat. Stand in a split stand, shift your weight to one leg and then lower yourself down. Try to get your hips go below your knees, but keep your back straight and then push yourself up. The goal is to be able to do it 15 times, 3 sets. And switch side. Next exercise is Bulgarian Squat. Put one leg back and on elevation, and put the other leg in front of you. Shift your weight to the front and lower yourself down. Then put yourself up. The goal is to be able to do it 10 times, 3 sets. And switch side. Next exercise is deep squat. Feet above shoulder apart, tight your abs, keep back straight, put your weight on your heels, and then lower yourself down till your hips go below your knees. Then put yourself up. The goal is to be able to do it 20 times, 3 sets. Last exercise is lunge. Make a big step forward and put your weight to your leading leg, then lower yourself down till your front leg bend about 90 degrees. But don't let your front knee pass your toe, and don't let your back knee touch the ground, and then put yourself up. The goal is to be able to do it 15 times, 3 sets. And switch side. And that is part 3 exercise for pistol squat. Repeat it again and again until you reach the goal. If you can do all these exercises, I'll see you in part 4. Alright. Ciao, ciao.